Now, onto the show. In this video, we are going to Mindanao in Davao City of the Philippines. And for our first stop, it's going to be the Philippine Eagle Center or the Philippine Eagle Sanctuary in Davao City. To go here, we rented a car for 24 hours for only 1,000 pesos. Philippine Eagle Center is 1 hour away from the town proper of Davao City. I really have no idea what to expect in the Philippine Eagle Center. All I know is there's going to be the Philippine monkey eating eagle. First impression, I'm just really surprised how big this place is. And I really thought that there's just going to be one, maybe up to 3 eagles. And I was just so surprised that the guard told me that there are 40 Philippine monkey eating eagle in this place. And as you can see, the weather was gloomy when we visited the place, but that did not stop us because there's no amount of rain that can stop me to see the Philippine monkey eating eagle for the first time. The entrance fee for the park is 150 pesos per head, and that goes for the maintenance of the park and for taking care of the eagles.
150 each po yung entrance fee.
Sige po.
Ilan po kayo?
And as the sign says, beware of snakes. So be very careful and be very aware. And we also discovered that they don't only have Philippine eagles in this place. They also have crocodiles, different kind of birds, and even monkeys, and much more. So this is like a Philippine Eagle Sanctuary slash mini zoo. This area is where the different kinds of eagles are. At first, I thought these were the babies of the Philippine monkey eating eagle, but as I have read the sign, these are the different kinds of eagles that you can find in the Philippines. And also, you need to watch out for the ants that is falling down from the trees or crawling up from the ground. I'm not really sure, but for some reason, there are a lot of ants at my back, inside my pants, so watch out for that.
Ants! Ants!
And now, the moment that I have been waiting for since I was a child. Here's a fun fact for you guys. If you didn't know, there's a Philippine eagle in the 1,000 peso bill of the Philippines. And that eagle is Vigo. That's one of the 2 eagles in front of us right now. Philippine eagle that you can go see up close and personal, like these 3 in front of us right now.
Di ba babaan kanina pa nakatingin sa akin, eh? Wow! So big! Big! Philippine eagles!
And this right here made the inner child in me very happy. This is just awesome.
Wow!
And this is the Philippine brown deer, and this is endemic to the country. So after the visit in the Philippine Eagle Center, we went to a resort nearby. This is just a 10-minute drive from the Eagle Center. Yes, I think this is a nice stopover when you are visiting the Philippine Eagle Center. Rooms here will cost you from 2,500 pesos to 5,000 pesos, and the day tour fee is only 320 pesos. And after that, we went back to Davao City and we visited this Buddhist temple. This is one of the famous attractions in Davao City, and I think it's a good destination to add up in your list.
What time magbukas? Ha? What time bukas? 8.
And our next stop will be the Magsaysay Fruit Stand, because you can't say that you visited Davao without visiting this place, because here you will be able to find the famous Durian of Davao City.
Sabi na mas masarap magpares ang
And just beside the fruit stand, there will be the famous Magsaysay Park. And as you can see, the park is being utilized by students from all over the city. There are also exhibits of different traditional houses of the Philippines, from Maranao house to the traditional Bahay Kubo, and many, many more. And shout out to these two police women of Davao City who asked me for a jump shot, and thankfully they are happy with the shots. And to finish off our Davao City tour, we went to this amazing restaurant that overlooks the city of Davao. And this is Vista View Restaurant. And it is not only the view that is so amazing here, but also their foods. Even though it was raining when we visited here, I still enjoyed the place and I really enjoyed the foods. Alright, so that's it for this vlog. I hope I made you want to go visit Davao City of the Philippines in the future. And I hope that you